Disappearing for 90 days is not escaping the world. It's removing distractions on purpose. First 30 days, the reset phase. Reduce social media. Cut unnecessary conversations. Fix your sleep. Train your body. Mental strength starts with physical discipline. Second 30 days, the building phase. Learn a valuable skill. Choose an area that can generate income. Digital production, business, content creation. Improve every single day. Small, clear progress. Tell no one. Keep your plans silent. Last 30 days, the deep phase. Stop relying on motivation. Build systems. Emotions change. Systems work. Study finance, psychology, communication. Growth is not only money, it's mental capacity. The purpose of these 90 days is not to prove anything to others. It's to prove to yourself that change is possible. When you return, you won't need to speak much. Discipline will be visible. Knowledge will be felt. Results will speak. Disappearing is not weakness. Living without direction is. Stay quiet for 90 days, but don't stay empty.